Oh my God. Would you come look at that? If I can get it. There it is. All right, so what's up? What's going on? What's happening, YouTube?
The mechanics.
I know it's been a while. I have not been that sleep, but I have been kind of asleep anyways. So check this out. Have been working, not sleeping entirely. These are the side skirts I was working on previously before we left off. And this is my Seawest bumper. As you can see, I'm still doing body work on it. Now, as you guys might remember, I did make those. Those are custom, as you would say. So instead of, filming the whole process and everything like that, you guys can go back to another video where I showed you guys how to do it before and just go watch one of those videos for me, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get monetized, trying to make some money so I can bring you guys some content. Okay, so I brought my camera downstairs today to do my tinker session just because as I'm doing it, it is actually kind of satisfying because I'm applying more knowledge than before. So it's actually a little bit more satisfying anyways. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of this process since it's a little bit closer to being done, okay? And I just wanna let you guys know, I don't know who's doing it, but y'all need to stop hiking up the prices on all the imported car parts. It's not funny. This fender was almost impossible to find. Stop doing that. Stop hiking up the prices. We don't need that, okay? There's no reason why these should be $400. No reason. They're plastic. Stop. Knock it off now, okay? Okay, now, although I did sleep on a couple of things, it's not my fault. I apologize. Yeah. Oh my God. Hello. Anywho, so pulling this shorty out. So I can work on the, so I can get a little bit of work on them side skirts and that front bumper. Oh God. So, gotta pull shorty out. Let her get a little bit of temp on her. So nice. Look, titanium. Chasing J's. They hard or whatever. So while I warm her up, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. And I don't know why, but I acquired a microwave from the trash that works as well. So I wanted to let y'all know that I got a microwave in my garage now so we can make toast and scones.
A few moments later.
The Mechanics.